Hello, it's Thursday at Doc Yoda Mendoza. Renovate or die. Do it yourself 2022. As you can see, I finally finished the second coat of my driveway. Actually, the walkway. The driveway has one coat. So, how's it look? Make sure you subscribe. This is how you do it. Welcome. This is my wonderful walkway here, and my wife helped me pick out the paint color, and that's looking good, I hope. Now this is in spite of the inclement weather in Florida, where you really can't tell if you're going to have 2 dry days in a row. So the first day was going well, and the second day there's a lot of rain, so I have to wait for everything to dry. So that's what it's looking like right here. Second coat. And I just have to remove the painter's tape to get it started. God bless you, and subscribe at Doc Yoda Mendoza at YouTube. What are you doing for your 2022 renovations? Renovate or die.